Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to replace Siri with Gemini. So let's get started. First, create a Gemini shortcut. For this, just open the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Here tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the action search bar, type Gemini and select an action you want, such as open Gemini mic, talk live with Gemini, or time prompt it in Gemini. Then tap Done and rename the shortcut for easy Siri access. You can name it Open Gemini Microphone. Now say, Hey Siri, open Gemini Microphone, and Gemini will launch. You can add Gemini to Control Center. This is the second option. For this, just swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone, then tap the plus icon. Now scroll to find Gemini and add it. You can choose actions like Talk Live or Open Mic. Gemini is now just a swipe away in Control Center. Option number 3, you can add Gemini to your lock screen. For this, just long press on your lock screen. An option will appear, just tap on Customize and then Add Widgets. Find Gemini and choose the features you want, for example, text, talk, and camera. Now Gemini is accessible right from your lock screen. This effectively lets you use Gemini instead of Siri for prompts, live talks, and quick access on your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.